If you want to turn on the performance icon in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to enable it in just a few clicks. This is a simple way to make the performance feature easier to access right from your browser toolbar, so you can keep an eye on efficiency and browser health more easily. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This opens the main settings page for Microsoft Edge, where you can customize how the browser looks and behaves. On the left side of the settings screen, click Appearance. This section controls things like theme, layout, toolbar options, and other visual settings. Now scroll through the appearance settings until you find the toolbar section. Click toolbar to expand the available options if it isn't already open. Inside the toolbar settings, look for the performance option. You should see a toggle switch next to it. All you need to do is turn that toggle on. As soon as you enable it, the performance icon will appear in your Edge toolbar, making it much easier to use when you need it. If you don't see it right away, give the browser a moment and make sure you're in the correct account or browser profile. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled the performance icon in Microsoft Edge by going to Settings, selecting Appearance, opening Toolbar, and turning Performance on. If this tutorial saved you time, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple browser tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.